Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the median function. Before we look at a spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. Using the median function is easy. Simply type =median and place the range of cells you want to examine inside the parentheses. Let's take a look at how the median function works in a spreadsheet. Column A lists a series of test scores for our classroom of students. To find the median test score, I'm going to click in cell D2 and type =median, open parentheses. Then select column A. Type close parentheses, enter. The median test score was 77.5. In this video, I have shown you how to use the median function. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.